Good morning, everybody. Zach Carlson, sales agronomist for Sound Agriculture, coming to you from Lincoln, Nebraska today. I'm currently in a soybean field just south of town. Wanted to talk to you more about the microbes that are in the soil and kind of what that means for soil health and the availability of nutrients that are happening within those soils as this crop continues to progress down its path toward harvest. So that soil health and the presence of those soil microbes make a functional soil, which creates that soil organic matter that's in there, and that's what holds and releases the required nutrients for those growing plants. There's five different types of soil microbes. There's bacteria, actinomyces, fungi, protozoa, and nematodes. Proper levels of those soil microbes serve to reduce the stress that can happen on those crops through the growing season, and it also increases the bioavailability of the nutrients that the crop is signaling that it needs per the growth stage that it's at. It maintains that proper flow of primary and secondary nutrients based on the fertilization practices and environmental sustainability that's happening out there. So microbes, very important side to any crop that you're planting, and also keep track of that during your soil tests and anything that's happening during the season, as we want to maintain those very high. So when it comes to the fertilizer applications that are happening out there, we all know that there's a lot of inefficiencies with the synthetic fertilizers that we put out there. So 40 to 60% of that fertilizer that is applied actually makes its way to the plants, but much is lost to leaching, volatilization, and what's tied up in the soil. So wanted to definitely talk to you about that today. I'm going to toss it over to Sarah. That'll go through how Source can help utilize those microbes in your soil and reduce those inefficiencies that you might be facing with your existing fertilizer inputs.
Hi, everybody. This is Sarah Taylor, sales agronomist at Sound Agriculture. Today, I'm calling in from our headquarters in Emeryville, California. So, like Zach was mentioning earlier, Source is designed to mimic a signal that plants are already naturally releasing from their root systems. This signal acts to wake up the soil microbiome. So for nitrogen-fixing microbes or phosphate-solubilizing bacteria, this source-activated signal allows for increased plant available nitrogen and phosphorus.